Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we dissect the markets, one chart at a time. Today we're tackling Tesla stock. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook. Some analysts have lowered their price targets, citing Elon Musk's recent actions and concerns about decreasing sales. However, others remain bullish, pointing to Tesla's strong fundamentals and long-term growth potential. Let's begin our analysis by looking at the overall trend on the daily chart. The daily chart showcases a period of significant volatility over the past few months. We observe several instances of support and resistance, particularly around the $200 and $250 levels. A clear downward trend started in October 2024, leading to a drop from nearly $263 to below $180 in late January 2025. However, a strong recovery began in early February, pushing prices back above the $200 level and reaching near $350 on the 10th. Zooming into the 1-hour chart allows us to delve into the shorter-term fluctuations. The hourly chart provides a more granular view of price movements, helping us pinpoint specific points of support and resistance. For instance, around the $410 to $415 range, we can see a recent period of consolidation. We can see more intraday volatility, with the support around $410 and resistance slightly above $420. On the other hand, below $410 there is increased selling pressure. Switching to the 15-minute chart reveals even more detail of short-term price movements. This highly granular chart shows frequent fluctuations that may not be present on the bigger timeframes. The 15-minute candles can be useful for spotting entry and exit points for short-term trades, but it's very risky. We may want to look for high-volume candles or candlestick patterns such as dojis, which might indicate indecision in the market. If the volume is high, it can point to a more important price movement, which might mean we could continue the trend based on the candles which came before it. Let's recap the key price levels from our analysis. The daily chart shows a major support at around $200 and resistance at approximately $250, but prices are significantly higher currently. The hourly chart highlights more recent support around $410 to $415, but recent trends push prices significantly higher than that range. Important short-term support is seen around the $350 mark, and resistance is now around $370. The current price of Tesla as of February 11, 2025, is $350.73. It's important to remain unbiased when looking at these prices and trends, and note the inherent risk involved. The likelihood of prices dropping below $350 is currently low, given the recent upward trend and absence of considerable negative news. However, significant negative news, such as further executive selling or major supply chain disruptions, could increase the likelihood of a downward movement. A sustained break above the $370 resistance could reinforce a bullish outlook, potentially pushing prices higher. Meanwhile, a drop below $350 would be bearish and could be compounded by additional negative news.